YouTube, this is Jeremiah from Vacuums R Us here in Colorado, and in today's video we are going to be showing you how to replace the Hepa Filter Adapter on a Dyson V6. You can do this on any V6, even if you don't have a Hepa filter and you want to add one, you can.
Alright, before we start this repair, disclaimer time. This video is for informational purposes only. These repairs should only be done by factory authorized technicians in vacuum stores. If something goes wrong here, I am not responsible for any issues that might arise. If the vacuum becomes sentient and eats your cat, not our problem. Seriously though, watch the entire video. A lot of these repairs are very difficult. Make sure you're confident in performing this repair before you start, because the last thing in the world you want to do is take this machine apart and then bring it into a repair shop because you couldn't complete the repair. Many repair shops, like ours, will not accept machines once they've been messed around with. So make sure you can do this before you start, because you're in it to win it.
For this video, we are going to need a Phillips screwdriver and either a flathead, a small flathead screwdriver, or a metal prying pick, which is what I have. To start off, you're going to want to remove the bin of the machine by pushing this lever down twice and then tilting it forward and removing. Now on the bottom here, you are going to take your Phillips screwdriver, and there will be one screw right here that you undo. Put that in a magnet tray, and then on the back of the machine there is another screw in this part here that you are going to want to remove. Let's get that screw out. And then, so now that you have your two screws out, you can just pull your battery out. Okay, now that we have the battery removed, we are going to want to take our metal prying pick or flathead screwdriver and just take the pointed end and stick it into the back here. And you are going to want to stick in and push forward, and it'll pop out. And then you're going to want to hold it so it doesn't pop back in, and then do it on the other side. And then down here on the handle, you're going to want to take and pop out. There's one more down here at the bottom, and then it'll just pop out like so. And then you're going to want to take your new part here, and you're going to want to start it by angling it into this tab here, down here, and you're just going to want to slide it in. And then just kind of wiggle it on until it pops in. Sometimes on these, which this one is doing it, the one side does not want to go in, so you're just going to have to get in with your little pry tool, and you're going to want to take and just space that piece out just a little bit until it pops in, like so, and then just click into place, and there you go. Now to finish reassembling it, you're just going to take and put your battery back in, and take your one screw and screw that down like so, being careful not to over tighten it, and then put your one other screw back in here. And that really is how easy it is to do either to add a Hepa filter or to replace your broken holder on a Dyson V6. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and found it useful. Subscribe, I guess, and we will see you in the next video.